All right, Abusia Fonya, Michelle Bibia. Abusia, Miracle Aboagye, any Nana Jantuah ene a class ewo Nhyira FM. Na Abusia, enyasem ketwa. Abusia, sembe kaya last week muno a Nana Jantuah din sembi betu ja say Dr. Bawumia enye credible and as onye nipa obetumi lead the NPP party. Abusia fo, emu na NPP for bebre e discerning on so enyasem ketwa. Issue kesia esi ewo man we mu last week ebusia ene yeda sorry Nana Jantuah efre Miracle Aboagye ebisa no the same issue na okaye NPP for bebre edisi so no ebusia for enya asem ketwa ebusia aha eye Ghana Asem TV you be say mo be subscribe to the channel no mo fa madwen share brown comment section nenko tie edia Miracle Aboagye eka efa statement Nana Jantuah make ye over the weekend yenkombra na ye ba ye beto aso nyame hira nyina
and Ekoni say no intimate take that charge now. It means he doesn't qualify to lead Ghana and even the MPP because he bears the ultimate responsibility. Because as some media from there ye weekend ye di agora kama obia kanide kama. But Dr. Bawumia say becheche nyoma bi mu enti wadaroma mafrel dia mekaye no problem ne dia wahin.
Oh, Koyo, share with you for I think so. Dr. Bawumia as a citizen, no, a chinja bakwa, any Namokra and say, oh, boo, a Magana Nibia, in spite of your social or economic class. And that's something that will be agitum. And he acknowledges the media and also a very critical stakeholder in our governance in our democratic dispensation. And he acknowledges everybody's role in that space. And I believe all of us also, including you, Kojo, you have a responsibility, will be discharged with duties under the category or Wajato wants to say as a media person, you discharge it creditably to advance our democracy, to advance our governance system. But you would not use that as a tool or as a weapon to maybe inadvertently, probably not intentional, run down other citizens, attack their credibility one way or the other. I believe, before Kwebeko into the issues, one of the things that we want to put on record is you have been completely unfair to Dr. Bawumia. Your commentary on him, your position on certain issues around him is beginning to come across as probably based with too much emotions. And I'm sure you will take it in good faith, knowing you. And you know we are individuals. We push our opinions forcefully, sometimes very aggressively. And so because of that persona that we have, I believe we are built to also take shame when it comes to us. For example, say, who can say Aboagye? That's what baby will be a term Yenya maybe enunti. Dr. Bawumia, because of that, Dr. Bawumia is not fit to be a leader. I think logic, is completely flawed, and it's laced with emotions, and not necessarily based on deductions, rational analysis of the issue, and I explain to you why. Could you? Aboagye why? Aboagye Ghanaian, the decline. The Tosumiano, or your penny complete adults. Your Tosumiansa, or ye the Ayan, and they say, or ye regional chairman of the New Patriotic Party. Why the regional chairman of the New Patriotic Party? Regional chairman of the New Patriotic Party, Ghanaian, or ye MPP ni. Na MPP agena tum say otumi dina ma yeto abama no ewo region bi mu nti Aboagye eko contest elections. The elections no contest ye no Dr. Bawumia enka guarantees a omo guarantee ma Aboagye no ho. Dr. Bawumia enka vetting committee a omo vete clear Aboagye no ho. Aboagye independently as an adult, as a Ghanaian, as a member of the MPP, Eko ne man for her, Ewo Bono region. It's from the Intia, Senior or Tibiano, Omonto Abamano, Nomiti, Omenim our region. And Omonto Abamano, remember, our elections in a win. What it means is that the man for a Twabamano, no, any doom who more Twabamano, Dr. Bawumia and Twabaho, Dr. Bawumia and Twaba, Ewo Bono region. And he could not have been a contributor to Aboagye winning the election in the Bono region because Abani Ekaye and Aboagye win here. Fast forward, Aboagye as a party member at a platform, media platform to say Akojo, they had to pay what to see a no one in so you transfer didn't come. And I would in Juma. And Aboagye canism. In some be why be a wide identify say and ye. A banner saying, and that's a Sabagandia media marine. Aboagye a bono, but Aboagye no can say a voter region. Aboagye a Bono regional chairman, but Aboagye a member of the Bono region MPP, or a member of the MPP. The constituency were Wale. But a high-level leader of the MPP, but only national executive member. If I say, only, how do we even put it? Only leader of the party. Only leader of the party. There were leaders of the party. There were party in Penifo. There were more party in the C0mments. I know because Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia and Kasano on the mobile pro, or party 491, or party leaders was almost say, almost to Aboagye. Emano. Say regional chairman be a DB, a way you cool we mo. Na said the original chairman a year, no, and 3 years, and yet former vice president, and I say flag bearer aspirant, whether Bawumia, whether Kennedy Japan, whether Brian Achiampong, whether Duchum, whether Kwabre Japan, and yes, sir, hopeful, so no. And a regional chairman, yeah, on ye. It is completely unfair for you to come and say, because of a supporter's action, and I say a supporter's action is endorsed or supported or subtly validated by the candidate. That is what we are talking about here. Because you see, in all your commentary, there's a subtle position I would take. You say, Aboagye the oye no, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia to me calling what sword and so on so. And I am telling you, say, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia cannot call Aboagye to order. Aboagye after all, I don't know supporting Bawumia. Bawumia supporting Aboagye. It's Aboagye better to like I say, Bawumia crowd mean to Obama.
Enti se obi supporting obi na nipa krono e kan sembia ebe how party na untimi nkanche support and say Madam Fujai. Me pa hold on. Kweku Asante Boateng. MP na obeka and say Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia any for as slaves. Omu ye slaves, omu outside no kasama Kennedy Japan. Man say what I say Kennedy Japan is a bad leader because Kweku Asante Boateng MP na beka san semo no. Honorable Chemi, ekura microphone
ejina honorable Kennedy Japan campaign afe efre Fulani for all manner of names ekeka nsem basa efa MPP ni honorable friend MPP ni Madam Samira Bawumia Manchester okay say honorable Chemi Suban no ene nsem no kan no ene honorable Kweku Asante Boateng nsem no kan ye nti Kennedy Japan is a bad leader. That is what let your listeners begin to believe. Say
no, it did not lead my listeners.
Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ninti.
It led Bawumia supporters, not my listeners. And so
no, please, your listeners.
Not my listeners.
What makes you think say? What makes you think that you are in the head of every listener? You think everybody endorses what you say?
No, I don't have a problem, but the point is, our listeners are everybody.
Let me say that. Let your listeners appraise it. It's not up to you.
No, because I'm just saying, say, finally, I'm just saying, say, for you think that
yes. Okay, say me about Haptel. And meanwhile, and I will not even do what you are doing on air. Because on the Haptel matter, my board video now no PHK 5 times. I was just literally I said, the empire now can at that time. And this is what you said. And I quote you. Now the dan kweku fuado and then the Bawumia no more omakote Haptel. That is all what you said. In English, what it means is that Nana Kweku Fado and Bawumia have founded Haptel.
Okay, so
with all this thing I echoes in common way, you know. Nana Jantuah still want to stand there in some all kind of no Kasana or kind of Wakani, but Miracle Aboagye Ebmani who say, who crano. Some time ago, Kasa Nana Kweku Fado need Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia Nedi. Ne set up Haptel, which comes to be false. But wuna anka say, or you know anka by this time on the oil no, radio CCC no, can you know on your side no. But because of a brony bay no, and I said because Kevin Taylor friend no no, was about the same pattern of fame 2024. Ebushafo esemno edoso papa mbayenko dengo tidi akana environment was.
So are you aware say after hold on after that when people miss and understood what I said, the following day, that was Friday, on this same platform I'd explained that, and I've shared that one also on the platform. And you are still dwelling on the first one.
You said what on the platform, Koyo?
I have said on the platform.
You know what you said? Let me tell you what you said.
What did I say?
What you said was that Mankada Bawumia helped to the American say but that is not what you said. What you said is out there. I have listened to it 10 times today. So what I was expecting you to do, Nisan Kabeka said, oh, it was a maybe crying said Nanado ne Bawumia na atse Haptel. But I got it wrong. The other person said, but that was not what you said. What you did was that you came to defend and justify. In fact, you called those who were saying, say, okay, say Bawumia and I have to say, that is a problem, could you? You see, we are very, very highly argumentative people. Because of that persona, no, we should be willing and ready to also embrace certain times when we make mistakes. I was listening to your conversation on Haptel. I see all the gaps. I will send you a copy of the Haptel agreement.
Well, I have it also here. So maybe we'll talk about
that. Haptel agreement, you cannot make Haptel now 19 years. 19 years for Ghana. You're calling to election 2024 with you planting in the heads of your listeners.
Miracle. Let's do the Haptel one maybe some other time. We talked about this one.
Aboagye is a member of the New Patriotic Party. He's a regional chairman. For that matter, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia need to make say one so.
That's it.
You bet me and say, Oceano Becca say, 1 minute the idea and you guys. And boy, Aboagye pa obeti.
Bawumia catcher.
Of course. Let me even give you evidence. There was a day. The video is out there. I'll share with you. When in Federal,
Me be say me who specific Bawumia a catch and say
Meba. Yes, me see, of course. I've told you that. I've given you a specific answer already.
Okay.
I've given you a specific answer. Of course.
Yes. They share mommy na mention or because
you can
share that the onene kan you know if you have it.
Bawumia na abron ye kasa no me video me say ma. What are you talking about?
There's evidence.
Me say there was even a time the chief of staff of Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia's office, Vice President office, Fredowari, F. Abronye, and only Abronye discussing issues related to comments be Abronye make here on Asofo. The next day, Abronye Betina TV so Ekatre Yen say Dr. Bawumia na Osuma Fredowari say on the member Casano. Almost a microphone amame. Omo de meter ha. Fredowari never tell me the amenye.
All right.
And he is right.
Matty.
And yet Fredowari and Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia they bet me at regional chairman the party, the general secretary and the chairman of the party, they have a responsibility and a mandate over the regional chairman.
And
you know this. So it is unfair. You need to apologize to Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia for the kind of names you have called him
for
acting by an adult.
No problem.
That doesn't work for him.
But I still stand by what I said. I will not apologize. I will not apologize. Dennis, I will not apologize. Let's end it here, Dennis. Respectfully, I will not apologize. I still stand by it. Mama, as my brother, Mama will all the opportunity to explain your point, and I respect it. I will not apologize. I say that the Abronye baby will have an effect on Dr. Bawumia. If this is it, I will not apologize. This is what the people are thinking. If this is what you disagree,
Abronye some more kaye, Nintokwa, and then Nakasa on the Dr. Richard Anane, Enyano. Baby, what Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia did womb. Dr. Nani Anko Kase, Ebia, Obikoka, Bawumia Sem, and Abronye Kodi Nipenatem. Abronye so, Kasano, one cow baby ada, said Dr. Nani Akase, Dr. Bawumia, and into no dinatem. Dr. Nani say, there was a National Council meeting. Oman Peniko Beka Assembly. Na, no one said, Abronye na, sorry, Oman Peniko Fuano, and Abronye so. Adeɛ teɛ ɔno so abɛyi Dr. Anania no nkɔmɔ mienu nyinaa afɛnu mienu nyinaa yi bebie ni wa ɔmo bɔ Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia die bebie ni wa Richard Anane kan sɛ ɛyɛ Bawumia sɛm ɛna na ɔman mpani kofo ɛka ɛna Abronye bɛyi ano. In fact, the national chairman of the party, acting national chairman Krabeka said, Bibia Sakrampo ANC and National Council. Enti ebane sempa ena Dr. Richard Anane ene Abronye ntoko ogbenya ebeye Dr. Bawumia where in the conversation could you ena you any indication that say Abronye edi Richard Anane after because of Dr. Bawumia where you see ojitum Abronye say afia be or better my Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. But that doesn't mean say Bibia Abronye Belebiano, let us all the better Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Sanet Yadia. And you say, O man, you can name to Intemu. I brent your war America, ya, could you? Or say, or supported John Mahama, or company Mama John Mahama. I will dig and Libya at them, or can ask someone and you throw a bit out also, not on phone about 2 screens. So now I can't. We do what could you and answer the BL. Now we do what them now a cower some basa in some way Sabe or the woman Mia Wakasawa or do be at them no chan trotum or no dear Yasim or will be some Obia Cron for Obia or can be beer the woman the enemy no a cafe. Men take that. So what I say because of our brand TNT, John Mahama, His Excellency, a bad leader.
Okay,
the case that because of
Miracle, quickly.
Oh, thank you, this year.
Okay, quickly.
Is it the case? Is it the case that because what can't was said, sending out the MPP no dear, one of Siciano baby Audiano, on pen people in well, I share. Yes, about a friend is saying, time I walk come to you, Minintino. Hand this side in the own Shiana. Go can I see a Codibiao? Now, Anyabiao. Can we say, Sabranti and some more kicking in ano? Or man penny John Romani Mama and Asomano. And on man penny John Romani, my money, yes, I do. Now, say, if that is your principle there, if that principle is what you are placing on Aboagye there, on a friend saying Bawumia there, then it means that won't mean deny say John Mahama is excellency. Say Jumana Abrante no American or Yama John Mahama is excellency. Now if indeed that principle hold, now say Abrante ni Juma Emma John Dramani Mahama, no a dio be atem with dio or take also a dio saying near dia software a DB imam for dio behind atem. Now still what say in spite of that, NBC the Omuntala Kunyaso. John Mahama his excellency in your company, but Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia there, Aboagye there now Wayan there, into money leader there. Could you now say it's easy for anybody to conclude to say as a said what be any emotions be that when you're towards MPP no any Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia in Tina answer yes because the same stick, the same measure. Now would they ma Aboagye and Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia no? I would expect and the same measure. Ebema John Mahama is excellency and then down for your American. It is a would say Aboagye and some more AY3ka. And someone for Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, but Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia is Senate there. Now, Dr. Anunti Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia to me a good leader there. And your man Penny John Dramani Mahama, international MPP in Trabontino. Sabe could you to day.
All right. Brad, we have 2 minutes now. So, number one, I acknowledge opinion and that is fair. I understand it. I'm not expecting you to understand me. It's okay. But let me state it on record. Say me on the issue of Kevin Taylor on many accounts on my platform. Odidi Matembe Brenyene. Maybe it was multimedia as catch him say I should not respond to Kevin Taylor. And on my platform, I've stated that Kevin Taylor, NDC, and John Mahama, and their supporting on many platforms. And later on, I'll share. So it is erroneous for people to think that I have never condemned Kevin Taylor, say, oh, did you be at him? Because I be me as Anthony. And I stated that Kevin Taylor, to create a tension between other tribes and Ashanti here on this very platform, even around 2024. I've stated it, so it is never true. Say I've never condemned. The only reason why I don't talk about him is because